It's the Britt Rochelle Show. Do, do, do.
Like, zoinks, man! I decided today I'm going to use my 20% power, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will to make Scooby Snacks. Or in this case, Katie Snacks.
Cootie Snack's alright. Scooby want a cootie snack?
For this recipe, you're going to need oats and flour, butter, honey, eggs, vanilla, cocoa powder, and walnuts. Let's get started, man. After you've preheated your oven to 350, man, don't forget to grease your sheets or whatever. You gotta have something to bake them on. Hey, Scoob, how about you pass me those nuts?
Where's the nuts?
You gotta grind them first.
Right, your nuts.
Alright, now put them in that bowl for me. While Scoob's doing that, I'm gonna start measuring out some other ingredients. Oh, that's a lot of flour.
Rock and roll, ready?
Gonna start by getting 2 cups right into this bowl. Think that'll be enough, Scoob?
Rock and roll.
Alright, more nuts it is.
You're Irish?
What?
Rogers. Rector.
Butter?
Right.
Got it. Let's get all that in there. Let's mixing it all up at once. But oh yeah, so good. Room temperature butter. It'll mix in real well. Got 8 of these bad boys.
On.
You done with the nuts?
Right.
You can go and toss them right in there, buddy. It's all going in at once. Thanks, Scoob.
Right on, man.
How many? That's 3, 4.
Right, we're eating the eggs.
Yeah, go for it, man. Throw in those eggs. Perfect. Buddy comedy, more like a buddy cooking special.
Right.
And this should be the last thing of butter. Stir it right back into the butter. I think I had too many. Go for it. How much we need of that, man?
Quarter.
Alright. Let's get that measured out. 1/4 cup of that cocoa powder. Sorry. That's some good scooping, man. Great job.
Uh-huh.
How about you measure out a cup of them oats for me there, buddy? Just gonna watch the master work. And a 1/4 cup of honey.
Uh-huh.
Alright, why don't you pass me that 1/4 cup?
1 inch.
Alright, 2 of these then. Give me some trouble here.
Right, the sunflowers.
Yeah, I can't use too much of my power. This whole kitchen might go kerplode, man!
Right already.
Oh, I hope that's not some of that special honey.
Never get a real close, baby.
Nah, it's normal everyday honey over here. And finally, that vanilla. Why don't you go ahead and pour her in that vanilla? Yeah. However much you think we need, man. Measure with your heart. Now we're gonna just mix it all together. Want to fold this all together till it's one big delicious dough ball, man.
Right in your father.
You want to get your paws in there? Go,
Yeah.
ham. Yeah, go for it. That's looking mighty. Oh, I could eat that just raw. Hang on, let me just. Probably for the best. Hey, Katie, you mind flouring that counter for me so we can roll these out?
Right on, Scooby.
Yeah. Gonna get it nice and coated so the sticky dough doesn't, stick all over. Then we'd be in a real sticky situation, huh, Scoob?
Right on there. That's what it is.
Scoob, right on. Time to take this nice, delicious smelling dough, and we're just gonna press it out, grab a rolling pin, and roll it out. Got one spread out probably about a 1/2 inch thick. 1/4 to a 1/2. Oh man, these cookies are gonna be so good. What do you think, Scoob? Zoinks! It's the Tiki Monster from Tiki Island! Oh man, I'm so glad to see you, Scoob. I just got the bejesus scared out of me.
Right? Right what?
It was a Tiki Monster, man.
Right here? Bravo. Rebel.
We'll have to call the team later to get us going, to help us
Right
out.
on.
Scoob, what the heck is this?
Right. What is it, right? Righty.
You got me good, Scoob. Let's start cutting these treats out.
Well, man, I'm here later. Get on.
That's right, Scoob. Next, we're gonna take our little glasses here, coat them in flour, and start carving out the shapes and get them on our cookie dish here.
Right.
All right, we've got our cookies into perfect little circles here. Now we gotta put them in the oven for 8 minutes or until they're golden brown.
Ready.
Look, that's just what the box said, okay? Gonna throw them on in here.
Right.
All right, Scoob, hand me that other tray. Thank you. Come on, that's not funny, Scoob. You already got me with that one.
Righty.
Ah! It's the actual Tiki Monster from Tiki Island!
Wugga.
Ah! Looks like our 8 minutes are up, man. Time to get this out of the oven.
Right.
Thanks, Scoob.
Ready to roll?
You get the top, I'll get the bottom.
Right.
Yeah! Alright, let's let these cool and give them a taste test. Uh-oh. That first batch turned out a little bland, so we're gonna remake that. I already got my dries together here. I'm gonna add in a little sugar, half cup of honey, and some seasonings just to spice it up a little bit. I got some nutmeg and cinnamon in there, but you do you, man. Alright, Scoob, let's pull these snacks out of the oven and see how they turned out.
Righty. Here we are.
I don't know about you, they look brown enough to me.
Right?
Let's get these on a plate and get them cooled out. Give them a taste test. Oh man, I can't wait to get this in my mouth.
Mmm.
Oh, so good, man. I need another one. Scooby!
Righty?
Yep.
You proud?
Oh yeah, I think it's time for a taste test. Mmm. Oh, that's good. I'm gonna put the rest in there. Scooby!
Right?
Clearly, Katie Scoob here thinks that they're good enough to just steal out of the air from me. Let me know if you try out the recipe. I got my DMs open. Until next time, this has been Britt Rochelle. And stay peachy. Zoink, Scoob! It's time to see who this Max villain really is.
Right on, Raggy.
Scrappy! These Scooby Snacks are not safe for dogs. Please do not feed them to your pet. These Scooby Snacks were not made for dogs. I need you to please do not feed these to your pets.
That's adorable.